It's no secret that times are tough all over. With the massive amounts of layoffs and wages not keeping up with the cost of living, I'm going to share with you 10 thoughtful gift ideas that either cost nothing or very little that I've either given or received over the years, and they have been met with tremendous raves. Whether it's for a friend, a family member, or a colleague, these gifts can be given any time of the year, not just at Christmas, and they won't break the bank. Gift idea number one: give them time off. We all know someone who at this time of year is working like crazy to close the books at work, can't come up for air. Someone who is juggling taking care of their parents or taking care of their kids, and they're just scrambling and just running out of time. So you could give them a day or a couple of hours to free them up to go run errands, do a personal appointment, go Christmas shopping without the kids. A little break can mean the world of difference to someone who is just strapped for time at this time of year. Gift idea number two: provide appointment assistance. I can't tell you how helpful this has been for my husband to take over scheduling of the in laws, doctor's appointments, um, helping him keep the calendars organized. It has been just the biggest gift I could have given him, and I've given it to him all year. But if you have someone on your gift list who is taking care of a parent or taking care of a sick child, heck, even trying to recover from their own injuries or own illnesses, helping them schedule those appointments and even going with them will help them keep conversation straight, medication straight, instructions straight. It is the best gift you can give someone. Gift idea number three: help with errands. For those of you who are not new to this channel, you know my husband and I just got over having crud for the second time. And my niece is just the sweetest person in the world. As soon as she heard, she called. What do you need from the grocery store? Where do I need to go pick up your medications? What errands do you need me to run? That gives us a chance to not try to figure out how we're going to scuttle about the world and not spread this crap. But also with the brain fog, nobody needs us driving around running over people because we can't see and we can't think and we can't react. But giving someone a day off, go run their errands, pick up the mail, go ship boxes for them, go ship presents, mail off their Christmas cards. But giving someone that time to just sit at home and recover from whatever they're recovering while you go and run their errands for them, it is a great gift. Gift idea number four: provide administrative assistance. I know in my Swedish death cleaning videos, I talked about how we had to organize my in laws' 60 years of accumulating paper, 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 paper. But if you know someone who is struggling to keep up with their paper, keeping up with filing their bills, throwing out the junk mail, you can volunteer to help someone do that because they may not be a hoarder. They just are too busy running around chasing Ginny and Johnny all over the world because they got to go to soccer practice. They got to go over here to dance rehearsal. And then the husband's coming home and he needs you to bake 5,000 cookies for the office Christmas party. Being able to help someone in those little small ways make a huge impact. Gift idea number five: take over their chores. Now, I am not one of those picky people who I have to have things done in a complete certain way. So if my dishes are piling up and my friend knows and wants to wash them, I'm going to definitely let them do that. So you can do the same thing for your friends and family members. Like I said, this time of year is really, really hectic, but any time of year, whether they're juggling, school schedules, work schedules, they're dealing with their own illnesses, being able to have someone come in and offer just to, hey, you know what? I see that table needs dusting. Let me dust that off for you. Hey, you know what? I see you got the laundry in the washing machine. You're busy over here because so and so fell and scraped his leg. Let me go throw those in the dryer for you. These are just small gifts that have such huge impact. Gift idea number six: look after other family members. And it is a huge gift that I have given to my family members over the years. And that is take care of their children, or if they have another dependent, take care of them. So this time of year, you're trying to Christmas shop. You don't want little Johnny and Sally to see what they're getting for Christmas presents. Take them to the park. Go take them to the movie. Let mom and dad go do what they need to do. You can also do this throughout the year. If someone is sick at home and recovering, you can pick up the kids, take the kids away for a couple of hours, and give mom and dad a little bit of a break. Gift idea number seven are for the four-legged parents that we have on the list. If you know someone who is struggling, this is a really hard time for them at work. They're having a hard time getting Fido out for a walk, making sure that he's fed, or someone is taking care of a sick family member and gone all day and they haven't been able to come home and feed little Fifi, you can volunteer to take over those pet duties, take the dog for a walk, feed the cat, change the litter box, do some of those things so that they're not worrying about what's happening to their little four-legged baby at home and can handle all the other duties that they have. Gift idea number 8, and I can't tell you how awesome this was for me to receive. Provide a listening ear. We don't always need someone to solve our problems, but sometimes we really need someone to just listen to us. So if you know someone who's going through a hard time right now, just sit down with them, have a cup of coffee, let them share, let them vent. You don't have to solve their problems, but you're giving them a space to be open and honest about everything that they're going through right now without any judgment. And if you can and you can spare the time, don't make it a one-time event. Schedule weekly or monthly check-ins to give that person an outlet to help them through this tough time. Gift idea number 9, bring them a home cooked meal. When we downsized from the mansion to this home, we bit off a little bit more than we could chew. We thought we were going to move in and we would live with the house and then figure out repairs, but we soon realized we had to do some major kitchen updates. So we were without a kitchen for 4 months, and eating out gets old. I know some people probably, no, it doesn't. But for us, it did. Having my sister and my niece bring over home cooked meals really made it so much easier to bear because a person can only have so much in and out and pizza and things like that, because you also don't want to create any dishes because you don't have a kitchen. So if you know someone who's going through a tough time, they just got out of the hospital, drop off a couple of meals so they don't have to cook. And if it's something that they're going to be dealing with for a long time, maybe you can pull together a bunch of friends and create a meal train where someone delivers something every day. We did that for one of my husband's colleagues when she was battling cancer and the husband was at home with 3 kids by himself. We all got together at his work, dropped off over a month's worth of meals, some things that could be frozen that he could just defrost and heat up. And then gift idea number 10 is just beautiful. Just give the gift of music. We can create playlists so quickly now, and they're very cheap or very inexpensive or completely free. And just giving someone some uplifting, inspirational music can help bring them out of the funk. I know my husband loves to put it on when he sees I'm in a mood. He'll put it on my smooth jazz and help calm me down. Or this time of year, he'll play way too much Christmas music for him, but not enough for me. But these are the types of things that help lift our mood, because music is a great healer, it's a great stress reliever, and I'm sure everybody on your list would appreciate it. So these 10 no cost or low cost gift ideas are definitely going to show people that you cared, because you're giving them something that they actually need, not something that they're going to unwrap, have to throw out that trash, then try to figure out, can they use this size 24 sweater that you gave them and you wear a size 2, or giving them, trying to figure out, how am I going to wear this drab olive green t-shirt when that is the worst color against my skin? You don't have to figure out where you're going to store this. You don't have to worry about if you're going to hurt their feelings, because you can definitely use everything on this list, and so can they. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. And give me a gift. Subscribe to the channel. It's a free, no cost way for you to help me out by telling YouTube you value this, so they'll push my content out to more people who could use it as well. So let me know in the comments, which one of these are your favorite? And if you have some that I didn't list, drop them down below and we'll share. And if you made it this far with me, thanks so much for watching. And YouTube's going to suggest that you watch this video next.